Professor Namrata Shrivastava, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SISTec-R, Ratibad, Bhopal. Today I am here to present how to write a three-address code for the few control statement. Let's start. So let's start with the first statement. If a less than b, then x equals to y plus z. So you have to write a three-address code for the x equals to y plus z when condition will be satisfied, that is a less than b. We'll start with indexing I. If a less than b, then go to I plus 2. This is for label jump. Okay. Next one, I plus 1. If condition will be wrong or not satisfied, then go to I plus 4. I plus 4 it means and, so nothing for execution. Next, if I plus 2, if you label jump I plus 2, then T1 equals to y plus z. Y plus z, because x equals to y plus z, you can write maximum 2 operand and single operator in three-address code. So y plus z assign for a temporary variable, that is T1. And next, in I3 again x equals to T1. So indirectly x equals to y plus z, and I plus 4 equals to end. This is the end of code or end of line. Okay. Next statement is if a less than b, then x equals to y plus z, else b equals to q plus r. So there is two options, if and else. If a less than b, then x plus y, x equals to y plus z will be executed, or if this condition is not satisfying, then b equals to q plus r will be executed. So let's start with indexing I. If a less than b, then go to I plus 2. This is a label jump. So I plus 2. Next, I plus 1 equals to go to I plus 5. It means when a less than b, not satisfying. Next, I plus 2 t1 equals to y plus z, and I3 equals to x equals to t1. So this is the I plus 2 and I plus 3 is the three-address code for x equals to y plus z. Next, I plus 4, go to I plus 7. This is a label jump for and. It means you already completed if part. But in case if not executed, then you have to move direct on I plus 5. So I plus 5 is a T2. T2 is another temporary variable which is q plus r, and next T2 assigned to p. So I plus 5 and I plus 6 is a code for a three-address code for else part, and I plus 7 will be end. Third condition is while a less than b 2, x equals to y plus z. It means while a less than b, then you have to perform x equals to y plus z. So start with I. So a condition check with if a less than b, then go to I plus 2. It means if a condition is satisfied, then you have to write three-address code. So go to I plus 2 is a label jump. Next, I plus 1. If condition not satisfying, so you have to move on and part. So go to I plus 5. I plus 2 is t1 equals to y plus z, and I plus 3 is x equals to t1. So I plus 2 and I plus 3 is a code for x equals to y plus z. I plus 4 is a condition for loop. If condition is satisfied, then again go to I. Again check. If a less than b, again satisfying, then you have to perform all code. Otherwise, you have to move on I plus 5. And I plus 5 is the end part. Next one is the do. X equals to y plus z while a less than c. So this is just a do while loop in which you have to perform first and then you can check condition. So let's start with I. Here you have to write 3 address code first. So T1 equals to y plus z. Next I plus 1 x equals to T1. So 3 address code done. Next check the condition. So on I plus 2 you have to check condition. If a less than b, then go to I. So first statement done, then check the condition. If condition satisfied, then you have to move on I, otherwise you have to move on I plus 3. Next one, repeat x equals to y plus z until a less than b. It is the opposite of while, you can say. So first just write 3 address code for x equals to y plus z. So T1 equals to y plus z and x equals to T1. This is a 3 address code for x equals to y plus z. Now you have to check the condition. If condition is satisfied, then go to end. If condition not satisfying, then you have to move for again 3 address code. Statement for loop. Here I equals to 1, I less than equals to 20 and I plus plus. Because here I is a variable, so indexing will start with k. So let's start k I equals to 1. I equals to 1 just for a observation or assignment part. Next is if I less than equals to 20, you have to check the condition. If condition are satisfying, then you have to go to for 3 address code. Otherwise, you have to go for end. Next go to is k plus z, which is end. Next is T1 equals to y plus z. Y plus z for 3 address code. If condition satisfied, if I less than equals to 20, then you have to write the 3 address code for x equals to y plus z. So T1 equals to y plus z. Next x equals to T1. This is a 3 address code for x equals to y plus z. Next k plus 5. In this you have to assign increment the value in I. So increment the value in I is I equals to I plus 1. So for this the first you have to I plus 1 assign for another temporary variable as T2 and next T2 assigned to I. So k plus 5 and k plus 6 is a 3 address code for increment of I. Next k plus 7, again go to k plus 1. K plus 1 is a condition check statement. So if condition satisfied, then you have to again repeat the code, otherwise you have to move for